In this video, we will source our last layer. It is our basic white side, upside down. With this formula, our first intention is making cross, yellow cross in here. And after that, I will say to you how's going on. Doesn't matter which side. You go to this formula. Front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. We will force three kind of yellow after one making this formula. L, this kind of L, not real L, or line, yellow line, or cross, which is our intention. Again, we will continue this formula. We will hold our cube like that. Yellow is like this L, and we will continue. We will again do the same formula. Front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. We got line, yellow line. Doesn't matter in other pieces have yellow, but it is important that after this lay, this L shape, we got this lay, and again we are doing the formula. Front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, front anti-clockwise. Finally, we got this cross. I told that doesn't matter in other pieces what's the colors. Well, it was our first step. The second step for sourcing our last line is we will be looking for these colors. At least we will get two same color. If they are not in the same position, we are just looking for we are trying. For example, green, I put green here, and I'm looking for another colors. Not same. No, that's I said. I've got two. At least we will. It is important to understand that we will have at least two same colors. There is two probably. The same colors will be neighbor, or same colors will be exactly opposite of this. For example, probably you will be forced by red here and yellow here. But I force this kind of. When I'm forcing this, one of the same colors I will put at the back, and another one I will put on my right hand, and I will go this formula. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise. Again, we have this course, this cross, and but we will force a very nice thing. When I'm putting blue on this blue, all these sides will be same color, and cross is stated, and then other colors I left. After that, these corners is our problems. At least we will have one corner which is located right place, but maybe different colors. I'm looking for this piece. It is not right place because this corner should be included green, yellow, and orange. It is not green, yellow, and orange. I'm going to this. It is not here, not here. All right, I force this. It is right corner, but colors should be changed. Yellow, red, green. Yellow, red, green. Another corners are should be replaced. I will keep this corner under my right hand, and I will go this formula. Up clockwise, right clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left clockwise. Still we have the cross and the colors are same, but corners is still, some of the corners is I couldn't get this one, and I have to continue again this formula. It is just only I have. Again I am continuing. Up clockwise, right clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, left anti-clockwise. All right, I got same I got right position, but I am lucky that it is the colors as well the same, the color as well the same. It is right position, different color. It is right position, different color. It is possible that in other corners you will be getting same right position but different color. That doesn't matter. I will go to follow our last formula. With this position, I'm coming our right position. All right. It is right here. I'm a little bit confused about that, but all right. I'm going to again putting my basic color at the top, and I'm going to there. If you remember, we had one formula, first formula, second formula, and we will continue again this formula. Very simple formula, and we will get very nice. And don't worry about the other colors that we are continuing to source these colors. Just keep going. If these corners are right corners, this formula, our second formula, is that right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise. I will continue until here it become green, here become yellow, and here become red. I'm talking about this corner. I'm continuing. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise. I got it, but finish the formula. Up anti-clockwise. It is the good point. It is the very important point. When I sourced off this, I'm keeping this one, and I will push another different color like that, exactly, and my right hand. Again, I'm continuing this formula, same formula. Right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up anti-clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right anti-clockwise, up. That's it, up anti-clockwise. It's finished. Now you and I solve our Rubik cube. Congratulations. Bye.